Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Bikenda Mole Removal, which is said to remove moles, warts, skin tags, and dark spots. Now, we're going to talk about it if it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, based on the product page, it uses advanced CO2 laser tech with FDA and CE approval for layer by layer precision, minimizing scarring and promoting skin regeneration. Compact, painless, and home friendly, most users report visible improvements in a few days and full results in around 3 weeks. Includes a money back guarantee and worldwide shipping. Prices range from $19.95 to $40.90 depending on quantity. And reviews on the site are glowing, which are 5 over 5 by 5 users, praising its gentle yet effective performance. Now, for the final verdict, we're going to talk about the pros. So, it's affordable, painless, suitable for home use, positive claims from the manufacturer, and backed by clinical narratives. While the cons are, all positive reviews come from the brand side with no third party ratings like on Amazon, and no real mention of side effects, raising concerns about balanced reporting. Now, for the bottom line, Bikenda's mole removal pen looks promising, but without independent reviews or medical verification, it's best approached with caution. If you're interested, try it on a small area first and monitor your skin's purpose. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried Bikenda or a similar device, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay safe and take care of your skin. See you next time.